Hi, okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to run a Wilcoxon signed rank test. So I'm going to use the same data that I used in the other one, but however, what you need to do in this one, because we're doing related samples, all right, so in this case we're going to be comparing Sunday to Wednesday in only the ecstasy group and Sunday to Wednesday in only the alcohol group. So one of the things that you can do in SPSS is you can go up here to data and you can split your file. And the split file, what that does is it allows you to look at the groups individually. So I've already got my type of drug over here. Normally the type of drug is going to be over here. And we're going to organize output by the groups. And this is the type of drug. And I'm just going to click OK. Right, and so it tells me up here in my log what that's doing. So I can go up here to analyze and go to non-parametric, and in this case I'm doing related samples. And my test fields are my Sunday and Wednesday, and I'm going to click run. Okay, so the very first one is looking at the drug ecstasy. Okay, and it's telling us that there is a significant difference in the rankings of depression in the ecstasy group between Sunday and Wednesday. So if I go down here and I look at my graph, my graph down here is ultimately going to tell me that there's more positive differences, so there's higher ranks than there are lower ranks. And I'm going to scroll down here. This is continuous field, don't worry about that. I'm going to go down here and look at the alcohol, and it also tells me this is less than 0.05, and he's going to talk a little bit about that in his book. And it's telling us in this case there's more negative differences, so lower scores in depression in the alcohol group between Sunday and Wednesday. So that is the essence of running a Wilcoxon signed rank test. Remember, the key thing on this one is it's the same people, or this measured twice, okay, versus the Mann-Whitney used two independent groups that looked at ecstasy and alcohol, and then this is looking within the alcohol group between Sunday and Wednesday, and between the ecstasy and in the ecstasy group between Sunday and Wednesday.